my school, I'm doing a Handprint because we're learning about the sun, so that's why I'm gonna do a project for my class. So let's start my favorite project. So I take the paper, a brush, a paint, and watercolors. You can use any paint you want. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm dipping the water and taking yellow paint. I'm rubbing so hard. And now I'm gonna jump in because I'm just gonna paint the brush into my hands. Put it in the paper so I can get my handprints as a sun. Wow, it turned out so well. Now I'm doing it again. Now I'm rotating the paper and doing it again. Wow, it turned out so well! Just like I said. S-U-N, sun, and my sun name is Hot Sun. That's because it's very hot. So guys, my handprint sun is ready! Ta-da! And my sun's name is Sun Hot. That means the sun is very, very hot. Okay guys, I just want to talk for one more thing. So one more thing is, just like me, you can also use a popcorn box for your outliners or your pencils or crayons. And you can use an apple box for your markers. And you can use like an old cup or something for your colors. And so that's called reusing. Because reusing, what we have to do for reusing, we need to save our planet. So we have to go and reuse the stuff we don't want anymore again. Or we can donate them. Okay guys, so that's all my video. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. And remember the name is Sutik Shovel. Bye bye. And remember to reuse.